Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katherine Vargas, and today we're going to do a very quick and easy look using the James Charles palette. We're just going to do a purple to orange ombre. So we're going to go ahead and take these three shades called Escape, Skip, and 518. We're going to start off with Escape, that's the purple shade, and then we're going to move on to Skip, which is the pink shade, and then 518, which is the orange shade. So using my trusty It's My Ray flat brush, I'm just going to go ahead with the shade Escape, and I'm just going to begin to tap that only on the outer eye area, kind of going into the middle but not all the way. Going in with the shade Skip, we're going to go ahead and add that kind of to the center of the eye, also mixing it in with the Escape shade. Then the next shade is 518. We're just going to go ahead and put that in our inner corner and also blend that into the pink. Then I kind of go into each one of the colors just to make sure it's as vibrant as I want it to be. And then taking this very tiny mini fluffy brush by Morphe, and we're going to take these three shades called Single, Skip, and B. And these shades are going to help us blend out the previous shades that we have on our lid. So to blend out that purple, we're going to go with the Single shade, and this is why I like using this very tiny Morphe brush. It keeps the kind of shade more precise and where I want it, then blown out. If you want the look to look more blown out, use a fluffier, bigger brush, but if you want it more precise, use this tiny brush. I'm going to use the same pink shade called Skip to kind of further bring it up. I don't like the lightest shade of pink in this palette. It doesn't work. I feel like there's no pigment, so I'm just going to stick to this shade. And then going in with B, we're just going to go ahead and brush that over the 518 shade. So you're going to go back into those three shades and just keep building and blending. Taking my Tarte Shape tape, I'm going to use this to cut out my crease. Then going in with this flat shader brush by Morphe, you can go in with any brush. I'm just going to use it to pat down the concealer and dry it out. Going in with the shade Escape again, I'm just going to go ahead and use my little fluffy tiny Morphe brush to blend out the edges of that cut crease. Then going in with the shade Skip, we're just going to go ahead and blend that into the purple, and I feel like this is just going to add a little bit of definition to the cut crease. So the next shade I'm going to use is the shade Ring Light, and that is going to go on our brow bone in our inner corner and also on our cut crease. Then I'm going to take Colourpop Glitter Gel in the shade Avenue of the Stars. And I feel like this is going to add that extra pop to the look. We're just going to add a smidge of this right where we added the pink. So I'm going to take these 3 shades right here again, and that's just going to get run on my bottom lash line. And I'm just going to go in the order that it is on my lid. So the purple in the outer corner, the pink in the middle, and the orange in the inner corner. And once I have the eyes done, I went ahead and added some falsies, and that completed the look. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe if you guys want to see more looks like this.